Soften me once more with those mesmerizing eyes. Twist around your tongue, clouding me with lies. I cut myself open to give it all to you. Let your poison run through me, and I love it, I know you do. Why did you chase me if you didn't embrace me? Why would you hold me just to watch me drive? Why did you taste me, stare and take me? Why would you move me? Well, tell me, am I lost? Why did you chase me if you would embrace me? Why would you hold me just to watch me drive? Why did you taste me, slither and save me? Why would you want me? Oh, tell me, am I lost? Am I lost, 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 am I lost? Or is the darkness following me? Am I lost, 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 am I lost? Or is this where I'm meant to be? Why did you chase me if you would embrace me? Why would you